In this video, we are going to talk about the top 3 best web hosting providers for e-commerce. Whether you are just starting your online store or switching platforms, this video will guide you to choose the right web hosting. So let's not waste any time and get started. Web hosting number 1, Fastcomet. This is a beginner-friendly web hosting provider that provides you premium quality features at affordable rate. Fastcomet offers shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting plans, depending on the features, flexibility, customization, and resources you need. For each type, there are 3 tiers and multiple contract lengths to choose from. Fastcomet provides top-notch customer support, with an average response time of 15 minutes, which is one of the best in the web hosting industry. Fastcomet operates out of 11 separate data centers spread out around the globe, which means your website will load faster and don't face downtime issues. Not to mention the daily free backups and extra security it provides to their customers. Apart from this, it offers up to 80% discount to their new customers, which means that you can set up your entire store in less than $50 for an entire year. However, the renewal rates will be 3 to 4 times higher than the first-year plan. We have personally used Fastcomet and highly recommend it to those who are just starting their online venture. With that note, let's talk about our next web hosting provider. This web hosting is recommended by WordPress itself, and we also use this on our client's website. Yes, I am talking about Bluehost. Now I know that it is getting some hate in the past few months, but more than 2 million people are still using it for their website, including us, and we haven't got any issues with it. In fact, it has become more user-friendly and affordable in the past. However, the excessive upselling is a little bit annoying, which is why they are getting some negative reviews. But overall, you can't ignore the fact that they are recommended by WordPress itself and still powering more than 2 million websites. Last but not least, we have another web hosting recommended by WordPress, Dreamshost. Dreamshost is one of the most popular e-commerce hosting companies and offers a 100% uptime guarantee. It's older than Google and is one of the 3 host companies recommended directly by WordPress. It provides specialized e-commerce plans that are WooCommerce friendly and convenient to all size of business. Even if you have zero technical knowledge, you will be able to set up your online store in less than 30 minutes with Dreamshost. Not to mention the lightning-fast website speed and a 100% uptime guarantee it provides. One of the best features is its 24/7 expert WordPress support. If your site breaks or you mess up any of the coding, an expert can walk you through how to fix it. Other host companies charge hundreds of dollars for this service. You can also find some exclusive offers and discount in the description of this video. Deciding the right web hosting is essential because a slow website will kill your business before it even starts. And that's why it is important to ask the right questions before choosing a web hosting. We've already created a video on this topic, so make sure to check that from here. Thanks for watching this video.